The packet of Pringles became flat in the blink of an eye. This packet and the pressure of the car, everything came out inside. I put a lot of small toy under the wheels of the car. I gave him a toy duck made of clay. This toy also fell under the wheels of the car and broke. I put a lot of chips under the wheels of the car. Let's see what happened to these boxes. This time I put a watch under the wheel. One by one, all boxes were flooded under the wheels of the car. See the story of this box going under the wheels of the car. What will be condition of the flowing cow? This time I put some bread under the wheels of the car. Under the pressure of the wheels of the car, everything came out inside the ball. Let's see what happened to the Pepsi under the wheels of the car. The gaming joystick broken in an instant. Packet of mango juice burst one by one under the pressure of the car wheel. Let's see what happened to this car. This time I put some nest under the wheels of the car. Let's see what happened to these juice packets. The ball burst and everything came out from inside. This time I left some mushroom. I left some toy truck under the wheels of the car. This time I filled many balloons with water and put them under the wheels of the car. I put 2 apples under the wheels of the car. I left a bottle of cane. I put a big jelly under the wheels of the car. I filled many cold drinks bottles with water. I left a large corner of chocolate ice cream. Everything inside came out under the pressure of the cold drinks wheel.